welcome back to my channel. Glad to be here. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. I want to come on here because I received my next box. I did Ipsy Glam and then I did Birchbox, and so I got my first Birchbox in the mail this weekend on Saturday, and I just wanted to come on here and show you what I got in the box. Now, I have no point of reference of things that have been given or sent out, you know, other months, because this is my first time subscribing in my first month. But I know I've heard on YouTube here that some people felt it was a little disappointing. So for me personally, I was just excited to get my first box. So I'm happy with what I received, but maybe next month or the month after or the month after I won't be. So I can definitely understand why some people might have been disappointed. So with that being said, the box came in something like this, and I kind of ripped it apart. Why is it that sometimes people have such a hard time, me included, have such a hard time opening boxes? It's like, how do you open that? And it's like you're rushing because you want to know what's inside. Maybe that's why, I don't know. But anyway, the box is a little ripped apart, but it comes in a nice box, and then it comes in another box that looks like this. And I like the box. Honestly, I think the box is really cute, and I want to keep it maybe to re-gift some, or not re-gift, but use it to gift something to somebody, or use it maybe for storage, for lipsticks, I don't know. But I like the box. I think it's really cute with the oranges and lemons and the little leaves. It was sweet. But let's get into what's in the box. And it comes with tissue paper like this, and you open it, and then it has a Birchbox just for subscribers, 20% off discovery kits and limited edition boxes. So you use a code and you go there, and they give you, if you're subscribed, they give you 20% off, and it's just for the people that are subscribed. So that's kind of a nifty thing. I might have to go check that out. But what's inside, let's see. So it comes with a card, and I thought the card was really, really cute. It has somebody on here that says, we love you. We want your Birchbox to be a reminder to take care of yourself, inside and out. The person on the front of your card is one of 6 we're featuring this month, who has overcome an insecurity to feel more confident in her skin. See them all at birchbox.com. And then it gives you a hashtag. And I think that is really cool that they did that, that it's somebody who may have felt insecure about something. So that's really cool. But then on the back of the card, it gives you all the information of all the products that are in this box. So let's see. So the first thing they say that I received was Boost Color Enhancing Lip Balm Blush Hour. This ultra hydrating formula magically adjusts to your lips pH to create a flattering rosy pink hue that's unique to you. So it's right in here. It looks like this. Kind of cute packaging. I think so. It's a lip balm, and it looks clear, but then it will, once you put it on your lips, it'll adjust to the right hue, it says, for your tone lips. So I think that's cool. Yeah, I mean, it's a lip balm, but you know, can't have too many of these, right? I don't know. So that was neat. The next thing it says I received in my box was Clarins Wonder Perfect Mascara 4D. The full size, and I forgot to mention this with the lip balm, the full size for the lip balm was $15. So that right there paid for your box, because it's $15 a month. So one item paid for your whole box. So this mascara, the full size is $28. So I received a sample. It looks like that. It's mascara. I'll try it. It's Clarins. Volume, and it's volume, length, curl definition. So I'll definitely have to give this a shot. I'm not one to buy, well, I don't really buy expensive items right now. But mascara, I have found some great stuff at the drugstore, so we'll see. Okay, the next one is Dr. Jart Plus, and it's V7 priming moisturizer. The full size is $48. This vitamin infused moisturizer works like a primer to mattify, even out your complexion, and blur the appearance of pores. I have been getting, as I've been getting older, bigger pores on my nose and a little bit on my cheeks, which is frustrating. So if this stuff works, you know, we'll see. But it's a little tube like this, and I'm guessing you don't need a lot, is what I'm thinking. So try that out and see how that goes. The next thing is Karana. See, I butcher names and I am so sorry. I'm sure it's a really easy way to say it, or a really easy word, but me, huh? Anyway, it is age-defying hand mask. Full size is $9.50. And it says, hands are one of the first places to show signs of aging. This creamy oil-infused mask deeply hydrates while honeysuckle soothes. Leave on for 10 to 20 minutes, then remove. So it looks like that. I'm excited to try this. I've never done a hand mask before. And I mean, I guess I'm aging. I've got scars and stuff. That's for another day. I work with, I'm a paraprofessional teacher assistant, and I work with special needs kids that are moderate to severe. So that's for another story. But anyway, so this will be interesting to try and see how I like it. So I'm excited for that one for sure. And then the last item is R Plus Co. Analog Cleansing Foam Conditioner. Full size is $30. And it says, clean and hydrate hair with this 2-in-1 cleansing conditioner that saves you a step in the shower. Massage a small amount into wet hair from roots to ends, then rinse. So it looks like that. So I'm excited to try this as well. I'm always looking for conditioning of my hair. It's color treated. I am naturally blonde, but I don't know if you can tell by my roots, I'm getting gray. And I'm also a much darker blonde. So I'm very lucky. My mom is a beautician, and so she's been doing my hair since I was a baby. Love you, Mom. Anyway, so I am always looking for improvement in my hair. I also have a very itchy scalp, very sensitive scalp, which my skin is very sensitive. So that being said, I get really itchy, and maybe conditioning the scalp and the hair will help. We'll see. Anyway, that is what was in the box. For me personally, in my personal opinion, this is just my opinion, I am happy with the box. But again, this is my first month, so I don't know what's gonna happen next month, the next month, the next month. But also, what I like about these boxes is it's $15 a month, and you get to try high-end makeup, which and moderate, you know, makeup. But what I like about it is, instead of going and buying it and then not liking it and paying $48 for a primer and then hating it, isn't it better to try it, like it, buy it, and then you're saving money that way too? I feel. Just my opinion. Other people may disagree, and that's okay. But so that's why, you know, I say affordable too. It's the most bang for your buck. You know, the high end, there's nothing wrong with high end makeup. I love high end makeup. I love all makeup. Let's just put that out there. I love all makeup. It doesn't matter. So what I'm saying is, though, I just feel like I don't want to go purchase something that's really expensive and not like it, or find something in the drugstore that is compatible or just as good, you know. So that's just my little soapbox, and I'm gonna get off it now because we're done. And we're done with this video. Please, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button and please subscribe to my channel. I am so excited to be here on this platform. I have been enjoying myself so much and meeting new people on here who have been just wonderful. I could not be feeling more comfortable, confident, and just loving this platform and this community. And I'll see you in my next video. See you in my next video. Bye.